Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm gonna show you about voice notification. So simply whenever you have business account and you daily receive and send money, so in order to do this you have to activate the notification. So simply just go to this arrow button and after that go to settings. So now when you move to settings, here you will find the notification option. So simply here you can customize the notification of your Wise account. So simply just you have to click on this arrow button and after that here you can find all the notification, your transfer and balances. So simply you can select this option. Now your debit card notification about your debit card transaction, simply you can enable this email and push. So after that, if you want to enable or disable, simply check or uncheck. And after that, in next currencies and futures, so news about your latest greatest work pulse tips are using Wise. So simply you can enable these notification and after that invite you to test new products, share your thoughts. So you can also enable these notification and update about causes we care about, chances to get involved. So you can also enable all these notification and after that click on save changes. So in this way you can set notification in Wise.